triple fibers. As a gear reviewer, every once in a while something comes that's so outrageous, so outlandish, so great that even though it might not be exactly the product that I would need, it's going to be something great for one of you out there. And what I have for you today is the KNKG, or properly the King Kong CORE Duffle. As you can see, this is the most extra duffel bag I have ever seen. It literally ships in a giant wooden box. If King Kong was a duffel bag, it would be the King Kong duffel bag. And this is the CORE Duffle in 35 liters. And let me tell you, it is a monster. I mean, just look at this box. You know it's going to be good. Talk about presentation. This is truly excessive, but for the right guy, it's probably very entertaining. This is the ultimate gym bag. It is beyond a gym bag. In fact, it's probably got more in common with like a Filson hunting duffel than it has with the sweaty Reebok bag that you inherited from your dad. This is a large canvas duffel. Even though it's a medium, it's not small. It's 17.7 inches wide and it's 11 inches tall. And as you can see, there's a lot of passion behind this brand. It's also 11 inches deep, and so that makes for a pretty rectangular bag overall. 11 inches tall, 11 inches deep, 17.7 inches wide. This is a 1.8 pound bag, and as you can see, it's got an awesome M81 or woodland wax canvas material. This is a 500 weight heavy duty bag, all metal hardware. It has a laptop sleeve, as you can see there, leather stitching in the tags, all coated buckles. These are YKK buckles, and it is a huge bag. This would be a killer weekender bag. I think it could be a pretty badass firearms bag. If you need a range bag, you could probably break down a pistol or an SPR and easily fit it inside this bad boy, even though it's designed primarily as a work bag. And as you can see, as I throw in these clown-sized Iron Rangers in there, I have size 12 feet, I have plenty of room for everything else. I've got room for big bulky sweaters, I've got room for gym clothes. There is a sealed shoe bag that I'll show you in a little bit. The truth is that this is a do-all, be-all, end-all type of bag. Not normally the type of bag that the average person is just going to go out and buy, from Walmart. It's not going to be the average bag you're even going to go and buy at REI or something. This is when you're not happy with your black hole duffel from Patagonia. You need the next level. That's where the CORE Duffle from King Kong comes in. It's a beast. All the materials are exquisite on this bag. It's not a luxury bag in the traditional sense, but it does have a lot of really nice touches. And it's not a bag made out of premium traditional materials. It's premium modern materials. So you've got things like, again, a sealed shoe bag. This is going to be really nice if you are one of those lifter bros that needs the ultimate bag. The sealed shoe bag, I think, would literally do the job for you. It's just got a lot of attention to detail, way more than any gym bag. I don't know, there's this kind of like Rocky-esque legacy that exists with some gym rats that I know, where it's like you want to pass on some of the traditions of your family, your routines onto the next generation. Well, this is one of those bags that it's going to be around longer than you. It's going to be probably something that your kids will fight over. It is just a gnarly bag all around. And when I got it, I was so impressed. You can also get a $40 insert, which of course makes it more practical for weekending, or if you're going to do stuff like carry protein powder or whatever junk that lifters usually use. I'm not that kind of guy. I'm a kettlebells in my basement type of guy. But I am the sort of person that would use this insert for sure if I was using this as a range bag for pistols and ammo. And it collapses nicely. And yes, the insert's just as nice as everything else that comes with this bag. I do think it's probably worth the extra 40 bucks. Of course, you've got these things on the side here. These are straps for belts. If you're a power lifter, you can attach your belts to this, and I think that it does take a large belt. Let's take a closer look at the stitching here, and a closer look at that wax canvas. As you can see, this is definitely a no-joke bag. Look, even the little touches in the stitching with the handles is great. Collapsible, as you can see, it packs down pretty nicely. This is a sturdy bag, but it's also one of those bags that if you weren't using it and you need to put it in storage, like let's say it was actually your weekender bag, you could pack it up and put it away, you know, put it in the bottom of your dresser or something like that. I like that. I like that a lot. The front pockets are very practical. Again, for a weekender bag, you could do things like keep battery packs or extra phones or whatever in that front area. And, you know, if they don't need to be waterproof, you can stick stuff in there. Those, of course, are primarily for water bottles, right? You've got 2 water bottle holders. All right, if you made it this far, let's rip the Band-Aid off about the price. This is $270 for the wax camel model. It's a niche product, but it might be the one for you, and here's the reason why. KNKG CORE Duffle is the last duffel bag you're ever going to need. I'd appreciate it if you checked out KNKG. I appreciate them sending me this bag. Truth is, it's a little extra for me, so I gave it to my powerlifter brother Bernard. Enjoy, bud.